Hey guys, it's Karima and welcome back to another messy house motivational cleaning video. Today we are tackling the first floor, so we are going to be doing the living room, the entryway, and my office area. I'm sorry guys, the kids' playroom will not be in this video. I promise that will be a video of its own, but I really need to build up the strength and energy for that room. Have cash? Give me cash. Apple juice coming up. So we are not starting out with the usual mess that you guys are used to in my living room, but I am grateful for that because my husband actually cleaned it up for me. So I'm just straightening up the couch and picking up a few of the things that the kids left behind. But trust me, there's plenty of mess elsewhere, so I'm grateful for this easy room to clean. So who else out there still has their Christmas pillows up? I know it can't just be me. Honestly, I would have changed them by now, but because I know I'm kind of making over some things in the living room, I didn't even bother yet. I'm kind of trying to do it all at once. I did get rid of the pillow, the lumber pillow that said Merry Christmas, because I thought that was a bit ridiculous. But the makeover is coming soon, guys. You know, just one day at a time, but I promise you I'm going to get to it. I also wanted to shout out Yesenia from Yesenia, A Mom's Life here on YouTube. I was watching one of her vlogs and she had shared this MTV t-shirt that I'm wearing, and she got it from the Dollar Tree. I didn't even know the Dollar Tree sold t-shirts, but I realized that they are turning my Dollar Tree into a Dollar Tree Plus. So that was cool. They had the t-shirt and they had a bunch of other cool ones too. I did get another one, and I guess you'll see that eventually. I don't even remember what it said, but it was a cute little tee. So you guys, I'm so excited to be partnering with Audible for this video because I've been listening to books on their app for years. Now, I highly doubt you haven't heard of Audible before, but if you haven't, Audible is the leading provider of spoken word entertainment all in one place. They're offering a new membership plan called Audible Plus, which gives you full access to their Popular Plus catalog. And there you can find thousands of popular Audible books, original entertainment, podcasts. You can even find guided fitness and meditation and sleep trackers for better rest, all on one app. To start a new membership is really easy. All you have to do is download the free app on your tablet or smartphone, and you can listen to it across devices like your Amazon Alexa without losing your place. New memberships also come with a free 30-day trial of Audible Plus, so you can try it out with no risk and you can cancel at any time. So I just wanted to share some of my favorite books that I've listened to in the past and some of them that I'm currently listening to now. At the moment, I am listening to The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss, and I'm listening to The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. I'm really into self-help books and finance books, so I also wanted to share a couple of books that I've listened to in the past that I really felt helped me a lot. And the first one is The Simple Path of Wealth by J.L. Collins. You guys know I'm all about saving my coins, and that is for a reason. That's because I plan on retiring financially independent and wealthy one day, and I really felt like this book got me on my path to learning how to invest and kind of navigating financial literacy. This book is really simple for beginners, which is why I really enjoyed it. So if this is something that you're interested in, I really think this is a good place to start your financial journey. And as well, The Power of Habit was one of my favorites. I always get questions about how I have so much energy or how I get so many things done. And in reality, it's not an energy thing. It's just a habit thing. I've created these little habits for myself to keep myself productive. And I don't get everything done all the time, but I make sure that I can get some things done, and that side satisfies my productivity brain. So if you read a book like The Power of Habit, it can really change the way you think of your habits and kind of help you create new ones so that you can be more productive in your life. So those are two of my favorites that I've read over the years. So I think that Audible is perfect for busy people because you can still get the information and knowledge that you're looking for from these books without having to make time for reading. And even though reading books is something that I do as well, when I'm in a really busy season, I'm grateful to have Audible so I can still kind of stay caught up on all the books I want to read. So if you're interested in trying a membership with Audible, please visit audible.com/guiltfreemama or text guiltfreemama to 500-500. And thanks again to Audible for partnering with me on this video. So here's a little trick that I want to share with you guys. I didn't come up with it, but for the life of me, I cannot remember where I got it from. But if your kids ever write on your glass or your dry erase boards with a permanent marker, you can use a dry erase marker and color on top of it and get it off. Kingston had a nice huge mural right in the middle of my desk. I just wrote over the black Sharpie with a dry erase black marker and it completely came off. So here is the after. Everything is nice and straightened up in the office area. Again, the playroom is coming soon, guys, but that is going to take a lot of energy because I have a lot of stuff to sift through in there, but it's coming. The entryway is clean. I still want to get like an entryway table for this space here because for some reason it just feels empty to me. The staircase is clean, the shoes are all cleaned up, so at least when you walk into the house, it's nice and clean. The living room is nice and clean. I am sick of looking at these red pillows, but as soon as we do the DIY, I will get to it. We're still working on the furniture, so it's coming soon. It was a really nice day out, even though I have a lot more to clean. My kitchen is a whole wreck, but this is what the kids were doing outside, and my husband was outside working on the pool, so I wanted to join in on the fun, and that's pretty much where we are going to end this video here. I really appreciate you guys so much for supporting me and watching my videos, commenting, liking them, just supporting the channel overall. It really does help me grow on YouTube when you like, comment, and subscribe, of course. But I'm just so grateful for you guys. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.
Don't kill it. Let me see.
It's over there. It's over
Oh,
there.
look at it. It's hard to see from this side of the net.
Lady.
It's a
Give me the
ladybug.
camera.
No, it's
There's
fine.
a lady. There's a ladybug. Ooh.
I see it.